Guys, today again I'm going to call, okay? So let's do it. Let's do this. Please leave your message for 9. Okay, guys, so let's do it. Hello? Hello? Yeah, this is Nisang. Is this the all dimension construction? Yeah, this is Rai calling. I just was trying to call the all dimension construction. Is this the all dimension construction? So what can I do for you? Okay, great. So I was curious, who would be the best person to talk to about getting you guys more jobs for your construction company, for especially the. We are all up to date. Thank you so much. We have everything we need. Thank you. Okay, so look, just before okay, so that was premise one. So let me try another one. Please stay on the line. We will be with you shortly. Let's do another one. Uh-oh, it got caught up. Let me try. You have reached Navarro Roofing. Our office hours are 9:30 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, and we break for lunch from 12. Okay, so let me try another one. Thanks for calling Prestige Roofing. Hello? How can I help you? Again, you are an AI, aren't you? Hello? Yes, that's correct. You are
Hi,
a.
Julia, the virtual receptionist.
Yeah, sorry, but I can't talk with an AI. Thank you. Let me try another one, guys.
This call may be recorded and shared with third-party providers.
What? I think I'm gonna press one. Let's do. Hello.
Hi, how are you? How can I help you?
Hi, I'm good. I was trying to call the Delta Roofing. Is this the Delta Roofing?
Yes.
Uh, great. Look, I was just curious, who would actually be the best person to talk to about getting more roofing jobs for the Delta Roofing?
From what? I'm sorry?
Who would be the best person to talk to about getting you guys more roofing jobs for your company? It's at least 10 roofing jobs every single month for Delta Roofing.
That would be with.
She's not here on the money. Hmm?
Yeah, usually by 9.
Okay, so 7 and 9. Okay, great. So, would this be great if I call on this number like later today or after 9 or 10?
No, in the morning.
Oh, in the morning. So,
Yes, Monday.
okay, so if I like email through the dsr dot delsolroofing.com, would that be great? Or is that the best email I can
Yeah,
reach?
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So yeah, and like before we end the call, I just got a question. Like, do you have any idea you guys are doing any kind of paid advertising, Google ads like Facebook, Instagram, Google advertising for your Delso roofing for the like roofing jobs?
I'm sorry?
Like, are you guys doing any kind of marketing, especially paid ads for your Delso roofing?
Yeah, yeah, we do that.
Like, is it by the vendors or like the in-house you guys do?
Yeah, yeah, we do like letters
So neighborhood? You said
So
neighborhood?
yeah, any information?
Yes, I think yeah,
Yeah,
that's
any information you can send it to that email.
okay. So the email I told you that was the best one.
Yes,
Okay, okay, got you. So yeah, thanks Delso Roofing and have a great day. Thank you.
no problem.
Okay, okay, guys. So somehow it was kind of good, but it was actually gatekeeper. But let's try another one. First, guys, look what I'm actually doing is I've got my. Let me actually show you. Here I've got my like all the way from yesterday. I did like call 16. I talked with the 16 people. I have booked one meeting, like a follow-up meeting or call, and today I have already somehow done probably 5 call, and I have talked with the 3 gatekeeper and 2 owners. And yesterday I talked with probably 8 owners, and I got one positive through SMS and another. So yeah, guys, I think I'm probably not gonna explain that much. I wanna do more call because that was the yesterday. So we need to do right now. Okay. So yeah, guys, let's do another one. Hello, hello, hello. I can't hear you. Did you just text me? Yeah, guys, he just literally texted me. You guys can see. I don't know, like it's weird. He's using like a this word. I don't know what kind of word is this. He's using this one. He did like this, message me, and when I try to call him, so let me actually type English. I have really no idea what this really, but yeah, let's try to do another one. And yeah, for right now, I think I'm not gonna pause this video. I'm gonna actually do this. Okay, so let's try to call that guy which text me. Hello. Oh, I think I have to do another one. I can't just reach him. Let's do
To an automated voice message system. 305.
let me do another one, guys. Hello. This is right. I was trying to call the Walter General Construction. It was the gatekeeper, not the gatekeeper, but it was the owner. So in my seat, I'm gonna say that what I did right now, just because he knew that it was a salesperson, and he hang up probably within like a 3 seconds. Hang up. Okay, so that was my point of really learning from what I just did.
To speak with our representative, please press 1.
I'm gonna press one. Let's also talk with the gatekeeper. Hello? Hello?
Thank you for calling. This is Kirsten. How can I help?
Hi, Christine. This is Rai. I was trying to call the MMB roofing. I just want to confirm, is this the MMB roofing?
That's right. Do you want to book a schedule? What's the reason of the call?
Well, yeah, the reason or the why I'm calling is that I was just trying to speak with the who would be actually like the best person to talk about getting more right the construction or roofing jobs for your company for the MMB roofing.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
if I understood you correctly, you're looking to apply for a job?
Not exactly, but we are. I'm looking for someone who can actually talk or about marketing stuffs like paid advertising, roofing jobs, or those kind of stuff. It's about marketing those kind of stuff.
No, but we don't have any means to transfer to any department that we're not allowed.
Mm-hmm.
And if this is about a business proposal, collaboration, or has something to do with marketing,
Yeah.
we don't accept any as per the owner, okay? We'll
Okay.
just gonna schedule a call back if we're interested. Have a good one.
Okay. Okay. So just I want to ask you last thing. She hangs up. I wonder why would they actually say that they don't accept that. Probably they've been working with someone, or I literally talk with the gatekeeper because gatekeeper always try to guys. So I will do another one now.
Thank you for calling Group for your available one moment. You have reached World Home Florida, your solar and energy efficiency company. For English, press 1. For Spanish, press 2. Then,
I press one. I don't know Spanish.
this is the number for the system to access something. Please, we kindly ask you to stay on the line and don't hang up while we find a representative available for you. Thank you.
The way she's speaking is so
Leave
much.
a message at the beep.
Hey, this is Rai. I was trying to call the bold home, and I have an inquiries about and need help with the bold home. So it would be really best if you could call back me on the same phone number. And have an amazing day. Thank you.
For calling AKG Inspection Service Incorporated. Please wait while we connect you to the next available agent.
Probably it's gonna be hey.
Welcome to